Yeah, the braided turban cap. What we are doing is braided turban cap. I want to show us how you can cut it and how you can sew it neatly and perfectly well. The material I'm working with is Duchess, and you know Duchess does not stretch that much. This is it. This is Duchess material. It's only the body that stretches, just some part of it stretches. Look at it, you can see it. It's only this place that is stretching. This place is not stretching, so it is not the body of Duchess that stretches. So take note of that if you are using Duchess fabric for your turban cap. Now the measurement I have before me is 34 inches. 34 inches, this is it. 34 inches by 6 inches wide. I'm using 6 inches wide, but if you don't want your braid to be as big as this, make use of 5 inch. If you don't want it to be very big, make it at least 4 inches. So by the time you fold it into two, you have 2 inches. This one, now by the time I'm going to fold it into two, I'll take this in like this, and so you see what it will reduce to. So I'm working with 6 inches in 3 places. This is it, and this is the body of my fabric. This is the body of my fabric. I'm working with, this is the stretch edge, so I'm working with 26 inches. This is it. I'm working with 26 inches. I'm working with 26 inches by 26 inches by 21. 26 inches by 21. The stretchy part is 26 inches, the body is 21 inches. Now the reason why I made it 21 is because I'm sewing the band together with it. I'm not cutting the band separately, I'm sewing the band together with it. Now this is how I am going to fold my band and sew. You know this place, I don't want this to remove, so I'll be taking this one in like this. I'll take it in like this. I'll take it in like this. Then instead of you to now take it to your sewing machine and sew straight, because if you fold it like this and you sew straight, your needle will show, I mean your thread will show at the back here. Your thread will show at the back, and I don't want my thread to show at the back here. So what I will do now is that after I have folded it in like this, I will now do it this way. Let me pin it. You can see it. You pin it this way. You pin the two like this. Pin it this way. Then you take it to your sewing machine and you sew. Take it to your sewing machine and sew straight down. Now another thing I'm working with here is foam. I'm not working now. If you want to sew your braid, you can use 3 things to achieve your braid. Number 1, it is foam. Number 2, it is wadding. Wadding is the gum stay, add stain that we put in breast tube. What they use to form breast tube is what we call wadding. So go to those people selling tailoring materials and you say you want to buy wadding, they will sell it for you. You can use wadding, and you can also use fiber. You can use fiber, you can use wadding, and you can use your foam. Mind you, fiber is more expensive more than wadding. Wadding is expensive more than foam. So I always love to use foam because I've used fiber. Some of my clients say, that braid is very heavy on my head. Not everybody like it. And some of them will say, the wadding, the thing did not swell up very well. The thing just lie down flat on my head. It did not swell up very well. So I don't use any other thing. The only thing I make use of is foam. I use foam. I don't use wadding again, and I don't use fiber. But I make use of fiber, but I don't use fiber for my braid. There are some caps that I will do that I'll have to insert fiber inside it. Now this one, now I'm making use of this foam. You can get this foam if you get to sawmill. you can get there, they sell it there. Just tell them you want to buy 1-inch foam, or you can buy the one that is thicker than 1 inch. Now I have cut out my foam. The measurement of this my foam, this is it, 4.5 inch. Remember my fabric is 6 inches. I have cut out 4.5 inch. Now 4.5 inch, you know my measurement is 34, but my foam is going to be 30 inches. My foam will be 30 inches in 3 places. My foam will be 30 inches in 3 places. So I'm going to cut out my 30 inches now. This is it. Now the reason why I cut out 30 inches is because by the time I will sew it finish, I